Hey guys, it's Rachel. I just got another product from what is quickly becoming one of my favorite companies, Verilux. I already have a HappyLight from them, which I love. I use it all the time, but that's not all that they make. They make actually some pretty cool things. And if you didn't already know this about me, I'm an artist. I paint all the time. I always have paintings everywhere in my videos and I'm always working on them. And I do a lot with different textures in my paintings. So I do a lot of like shiny stuff covered with matte stuff. So every angle that you look at these paintings, they just look a little bit differently. So it's super important for me to have good lighting when I'm painting. And that is why I got this little product. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. So, whew. So this is a floor lamp that they make, and it's just an LED lamp. They also make these small enough to put on your desk. And basically they're just lights that are great for if you work on any kind of little projects, crafting or drawing. They're even good for reading. I'm gonna get this thing out. It's heavy. So it looks like this thing comes in a couple pieces. It has little like buttons on here. So, I mean, you can get a lamp from anywhere, right? I've thought about using like a floor lamp before, but it's like, if I drag a floor lamp in here and take the shade off, it's still gonna give me all of these weird shadows and throne lighting, and it's gonna look ugly, let's just be honest. I love that this is so modern looking and that I can move it around, and honestly, I had no idea it was gonna be this large. This is bigger than my face. This thing is huge. I'm really excited to see how bright it makes it in here. Instructions. You are our sunshine. They always send like the cutest stuff in their boxes that just makes me smile. I love this company so much. Okay, so it comes with, there's a warranty registration card and one page of instructions, how to put it together. So on this little card in here, it just has the Verilux Mission Statement kind of, which I've never read before. We make a social impact by making people happy. We provide life-changing products and excellent service to contribute to the well-being of humanity. I cannot think of a better like mission statement. Back to the instructions. You get out this large piece and you find the wire on it and start putting it through hole B. So let's see how easy this is. So everything is labeled. This is pole B that I'm supposed to be looking for. Easy to find. So I'm supposed to feed the wire through pole B. Done and done. And then these are supposed to just screw together. Slight work, isn't it? That was easy. I'm sorry that this is so large. It's hard to even like get on the whole screen. This thing is massive, you guys. Oh my gosh. So then find pole marked C, feed the wire through, and then twist them together again. I'm gonna guess this is pole C. Again, very easily marked. And we'll just put this through here. And twist together. I wish you could feel the texture of these because they're very like heavy duty, they're metal, but they're very, it's almost like a matte finish. I just love how like clean this thing is gonna look in here compared to any other lamp that I could possibly have found. Okay, so connect the two wires together and insert the pole into the base. Tighten the screw using the supplied Allen wrench underneath the base after you make sure the touch panel is facing front. So there's the base part in here I need to get out. Oh, and this must be the adapter. Here's the little plug. And here is the little Allen wrench that they were just telling me about. Oh, this is so heavy. This thing is heavy duty though. Like, it's not some, you can tell this is not something that's going to just like break. This thing is very nicely made. Okay, this is so heavy. Oh my gosh. All right. So this base is clean and white as well, which I love. And there's just a little cord coming out of here and a place to screw the lamp in. And then in the very back, it looks like this is where we use the plug. So just want to connect these two wires. Oh, they just literally just like snap right together like that. And then they said to make sure, let me move this. Okay. And they said to make sure that the touch panel is facing frontwards. This is a little touch panel that I'm imagining this is how we turn it on and off. So front facing, and I just have to screw this in. Well, it was really easy. Plug in the AC adapter into an electrical outlet. Plug the connector of the AC adapter into the LED SmartLight Floor Lamp. Only used with the blah, 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 blah. So let's plug this in. Okay, we have it all plugged in. So to turn on the light, gently touch the on-off touch-sensitive control button. When you turn off the light using the on-off button, it will return to the last setting of brightness and temperature when you turn it on again. I didn't even know I could change the temperature of this light. There are 3 color temperatures. To change the temperature, simply touch the mode button to change from daylight to natural and then to warm. Then you can turn it up and down. In power, there are 5 luminance levels of light intensity on the lamp at each color temperature. Use the up-down touch buttons to adjust the illuminance accordingly. All right, so I'm not looking at any kind of diagrams. I mean, they do give you a little diagram of what each button looks like and what it does, but you don't need it. Like, the power button is obviously a power button. And so then there's an up and down, so that's clearly what the brightness is. So putting the brightness up, and then this has to be the color temperature. So daylight, warm, daylight, natural, warm. Very cool. Wow, I'm just like looking around my room at all the paintings and I can see everything so much better. So I'm actually going to show you what I mean about my paintings with the different colors. Can you see how on this painting there is like shimmery color and matte color? Let's turn the light on it a little bit better. And let's put on daylight. Painting without this light on it. Now that's the painting with the light on it. Off and on. It just looks so much better with the light on. I'm going to be able to do this to all of my paintings and actually be able to see everything. I'm so excited that I have this light now that I can use for all of my stuff. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed learning about this really cool Verilux light, and I hope that you check them out. They make these really cool lights. They make sanitizing wands. They make HappyLights. I would highly recommend everything I've tried from this company. They're amazing. Definitely check them out.